Learn civil concepts.
Hello friends, welcome to Learn Civil Concept. In this video we will learn about the basic construction process of making a shed which may be used for different purposes. First we will clear the grass, stone and other waste from the land where shed is to be constructed, as the organic matter, that is grass root, etc. are not good for soil. Hence, to remove it, we will scrape out the 150 mm thickness from the layer. As you can see in the model, we have clear land for the construction of shed. Now we will mark our layout for columns as per the drawing. Here we will construct the column of height 750 mm. First we will excavate the earth up to 300 mm for the column as per the layout marking done. After this, as per the BBS, we will place steel bars for columns and will cast concrete in it. In a similar way, we will make the other columns. After compacting soil, the PCC of 150 mm is done on the floor. We have given the link in the description to check for the column casting process. Now we will construct a AAC or brick wall in between the column, as you can see in the model. Now, the steel plate having a dimension of 150 by 150 and the thickness of 5 mm, we will make the 4 holes of 10 mm dia in each corner of plate. To protect the steel plate from corrosion, we will paint it with red oxide. We will fix the steel plate on the top of each column with the help of fasteners. Now we will prepare the hollow steel tube of size 100 by 100 by 5 mm, and here we have taken the length of tube 3500 mm. After fixing the steel plate on the top face of tube, we will precisely weld it in the plate above the RCC column. Similarly, we will weld and fix all other steel columns as you can see in the model. Now the trusses and intermediate members are welded with great care. Once the basic structural work is finished, we will proceed for covering the roof. We will cover the roof with PVC sheets of thickness 2 mm. Overlapping in sheet is done and sheets are fixed with intermediate members of structure with the help of screws. The ridge is covered to avoid any seepage during rain. We will provide the vinyl guttering and PVC downwater pipe for drainage in the rainy season. The water from the rain comes and gets collected in the PVC pipe. Hence our structure is safe from the rainwater. Now we have completed the basic shed construction. After completion, the shed seems to be as shown in the model. The basic purpose where this type of shed can be used are car parking or bike parking, for doing exercise, for relaxing, and many more. Hope you like our video. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.